All right, guys, we've got the Yassowwin Car license plate frame, and this is an unboxing video. We're just going to see what you get when you order one of these. So, first of all, it's nicely packaged, so you don't have to worry about it getting dinged up along the way. We've got our wiring here. We've got the license plate frame itself. We've got side A, and then on the other side, you've got side B. And that's going to be the coolest thing about this thing is you can have two different license plates and it swaps between the two. This is your sensor. And you can see, you can click in your car. You can actually, once you have it hooked up, you can click the on button. And then you can also click side A or side B. So you can swap them live while you're in the car. Now, the other cool thing about it is you've got the remote on your keychain. So you actually have the remote right here. And once you have everything hooked up and wired in, you can actually just press the remote and it'll switch from side A to side B. So this thing is very high quality. It's designed specifically to fit US license plates. So this is going to work really well. If you have two different plates that you want to swap between, I think that's what this is going to be really great for. Obviously, the wiring's already ready. You just have to wire it through your car. And they even provide the screws and everything to screw the license plate on there. I think they did a really good job with this. It feels very sturdy, and it seems like it's going to last for a really long time. It's kind of built for outdoor use. So, highly recommend. The last thing I want to say is it does come with a cigarette power cord too. So you've got that as an option as well.